All right, hey guys, I need you to find this paper in your packets. Combining sentences. I'm gonna grab a drink. Okay. Remember a few weeks ago when we still had school in this classroom, we learned about conjoining words, conjoining words that combine two sentences together in the middle. And we learned there were and, but, and or. Remember those? Okay, so today we're gonna use those to make two sentences into one sentence. Okay, so I'm gonna do the first two with you, and you're gonna do the last two by yourself. All right. So number one, it says, Roy, you have to rewrite the sentence right here on the space, okay? So Roy goes to, work. Okay, so that's the first sentence. Roy goes to work. The second one says, there's traffic. So, you're gonna, after the first sentence, you're gonna take out the period and you're gonna change it to a comma. Okay? And Roy goes to work. There is traffic. Which conjoining word would make more sense? And, but, or? Roy goes to work and there is traffic. Roy goes to work but there is traffic, or Roy goes to work or there is traffic. I would say and or but could be used, so you can pick whichever one you want. But I think I'm going to use but. So Roy goes to work, but there, and now, see, it has a capital because it started a new sentence, but we're not starting a new sentence. So we're going to make it lowercase. So Roy goes to work, but there is traffic. Okay. You're going to rewrite that whole thing just like that on number one. Now, number two. It says Beth sings, and it says she plays the piano. So Beth sings was the first sentence. We're going to change that period to a comma. Beth sings, and, but, or she plays the piano. I would say and would make the most sense. Beth sings and, now we're going to make that S on she, lowercase. She plays the piano. Period. Okay, so you're going to do the last two. Number three says, it is dark, the moon is bright. It is dark and the moon is bright. It is dark but the moon is bright. It is dark or the moon is bright. I would say but, because they're saying that it's dark outside but the moon helps because it's bright. So it is dark but the moon is bright. And the last one, the dog barks, the cat meows. And, but, or. I would say and. The dog barks and the cat meows. Okay? So you write those two just like I did, and then you write these two on your own. Sorry, these two on your own. Okay, when you're done with that, we're going to move on to the next thing. So go ahead and you can pause and take care of that. And I'm going to read you guys this when you come back. So when you're done, find this in your packet. All right, I'm going to read it to you, so you need to be paying attention, and then because you have to answer some questions afterwards, okay? Kylie loves jumping rope at recess. Sorry, I'm scooting this up. But she hated all the trash she saw on the ground. She asked her teacher if she could use gloves and a trash bag to clean it up. The teacher said yes. After a whole recess period of picking up trash, Kylie realized she needed help. She got her classmates to help her by bringing them lemonade and brownies for a special treat. Kylie saw how much more she could get done with other people helping, so she created posters for a school-wide cleanup on Earth Day. Now Kylie and her classmates can play on a clean playground. Okay, so your first question, how is Kylie able to help the playground? Well, that should be easy to answer because we just read a whole story about it. Okay, so write your answer here. And then it says down here, draw a picture of one way Kylie helps the trash situation. Draw a picture about one way that Kylie helps the trash situation. Okay? When you're done, or pause this to do this page, then we're going to do our 2 vocab words. All right, our 2 vocab words today. We have a blue and an orange. Seedling and barren. Find your 2 vocab words. I'm going to go over them together real quick. First one we're going to do is the blue one. It's seedling. Okay, just looks like this. Knit a seedling, a young tree or plant grown from a seed. Okay, so it's like it grew from a seed, but it just has barely grown. It's still really small. That's a seedling. What do you think happens after the plant becomes a seedling? Write down what you think happens after the plant becomes a seedling. Make sure you cut this out and glue it in your notebook. Right, we got one more. Barren. This is kind of a weird word that y'all probably haven't heard too much. Barren. Not able to produce many plants. Okay? Oh, sorry about that. Barren. Not able to produce many plants. What did Wangari do when she saw the land was barren? So she got back from America and the land was barren. That means that all the plants were gone. It was just desert. Okay, so that's barren, means gone, empty. Okay, so what did Wangari do when she saw the land was barren? Answer that. We should know. It's what the whole book is about, what she did when she got back. Okay, and when you're done with that, you will be done with reading for today.